What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here doing some night cruising in the 2020 STI. Honestly, I'm just bored out of my mind. I was at home and I got some dude coming in hot from behind right now. Anyways, I've just been super bored at home. It's Thursday night. Tomorrow I'm off. I've been so bored that I've been debating on buying a motorcycle. That's how bored I've been. Nothing too crazy. I'll spill some tea for you guys. I've been thinking about getting a Honda Grom, however you say it. I've always thought that they were cool little bikes. They're like little fun size, and they're not too expensive. And I think it'd be fun for the channel. I think it'd be fun. I think it'd be good content. I think you guys would enjoy it. And also just fun for me also. I know how to ride a motorcycle. I come from dirt bikes and stuff like that. So I wouldn't have to learn it or anything like that. I would have to get a motorcycle's license, but I just think overall it would be a really fun investment to get a motorcycle, especially one that's not too expensive like that, and something I can have fun around town and, you know, do some GoPro videos and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below if I should go ahead and get Grom. I think it'd be really fun. Also, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed just yet, make sure to hit the subscribe down below. As of right now, we are only 5 subscribers away from 5,000. So if you're watching this, make sure to support the channel. The next milestone will be 10,000. I'm so excited. I want to get to those 5 digits right there. That'd be so freaking crazy, so awesome. Anyways, I really don't have a plan for this video. I don't have anything specific to talk about or anything specific to record. Kind of just wanted to come out to the car and do some driving and record and stuff like that. I've been really in the mood to, you know, upload content, but I just haven't had anything to record. So it's another thing that the Grom would be cool for. I feel like it'd be just really fun. It'd be really awesome. Anyway, since we're out here, we're driving and stuff like that, why not talk about long-term review on my 2020 STI. I've had this for 5 months now. It's got just under 5,000 miles. Quarantine has definitely kept the miles low. I was driving it a lot, and quarantine has definitely made me chill out. But yeah, why not talk about the STI? I absolutely love this car. This car is super fun. Honestly, my biggest complaint about this car would be the gas mileage. It literally, like, there's like pickup trucks out there, like an F-150, pretty sure gets better gas mileage than this thing, which is kind of sad. It'll probably be way more improved for the new generation STI. I didn't want to wait for the new gen STI because I really love this generation. I love this body style. I came from a 2018 WRX that I traded in for this, and I honestly really loved that car. I just wanted to upgrade to something that was more loaded with better features, better options and stuff like that. I explained that in a previous video. But this car is awesome to drive. Honestly, it's a night and day difference from the WRX. You know, the naked eye, to someone that doesn't really know much about cars, you look at the two cars and they probably look the same. You probably think it's the same car. But to someone that actually knows about these cars, you'll definitely know that there's a big difference, and it's not something, the differences aren't mainly something that you see, it's more of something that you feel. It's starting to rain right now. Honestly, I like driving in the rain. I think it's really nice and relaxing. I feel like it relieves stress, just like when it's like a nice, calm little rain like this. The windshield wipers, I don't know if it's just me or what, but I really like it. Anyways, we got off topic there. So it's more of when you're actually driving the car, that's when you feel the differences. This transmission, this shifter, the gearbox, the acceleration, and the STI is just hands down way better than the WRX. WRX, from the factory, comes with a really bad tune, to be honest. When I got my WRX, I got through the break-in period and I finally got on it, it was really disappointing. It really did not hold its power all the way through the power band. And yeah, with the STI, I feel like it just puts down the power really well from the factory. I've been really satisfied with this car stock as is, which is why I haven't modified it, which is why I haven't tuned it. Forget a long-term review. Let's just talk about, now that I've owned a WRX and an STI, which car is better? I feel like that's a better, more interesting video. I hope that the windshield wipers aren't going to bother you guys too much. But yeah, I think, and the biggest factor of why people go with the WRX over the STI is, you know, it's going to be price. It's the STI is definitely a lot more pricey. This, I paid basically $35,000 for the sales price. Obviously, you have to add taxes, tags, and fees on top of that. But taxes and tags, it's going to differ wherever you live and stuff like that. Also, if you're financing, different interest rate depending on your credit score. So I like to just talk about sales price because that's the one thing that can be the same for everybody. But yeah, I mean, a base WRX, which is what I had, was you know, 27, 28. This was 34. So that's, you know, $6,000 or $7,000 more that you're going from a base WRX to a base STI. So is it really worth it? Well, with the STI, you're getting a lot of options and features standard. You know, you're gonna get better speakers, even if you don't get the upgraded ones. The speakers are better. You're also gonna get the really nice LED headlights. You'll get a wing. You'll get nice bigger wheels, the big Brembo brakes. What else will you get? And then, I mean, you'll get the nicer, bigger screen, the nicer infotainment system. What do you not get? You don't get better gas mileage, but I mean, that's the only real complaint. Everything else is better. The power is better, the performance is better, the handling's better, the shifting is better. Everything else as far as driver experience is better in the STI. So, and I know a lot of people comment, oh, with a couple of power mods and a tune, you'll be beating STIs all day in a WRX. And I understand that. My WRX was stage 2 plus, and it was pro tuned, and I was head to head, like basically the same as an STI. But not everybody's gonna wanna do that. Some people don't wanna void their warranties. So the whole point of this video is out of the box, right off the lot, right out of the factory, what car is better in my opinion? I think the STI definitely takes the cake. Oh, and you guys, one thing I forgot to mention, and I'm just filming on my vlogging camera now. I took the GoPro off, but one thing that I did not want to forget, because I knew I would get crap if I forgot to mention this, is when you go STI, you get the EJ, and the EJ is a big deal. You know, it's the motor that Subaru is notorious for. It's been around forever. It's just what they're known for. And you get the notorious Subaru rumble, which honestly, I thought it wouldn't be that big a deal at first, and I thought I really wouldn't care, but now that I drive a Subaru STI instead of just a WRX, the rumble makes my driving just so much more fun. Every time I go out and I hear a rumble, instead of the more, you know, tunerish sound of the FA, it's just a lot more fun to drive, and I enjoy it a lot more. So anyways, that's just my opinion right there. Let me know what you guys think.